Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. This is a Metatarsal heavy-duty arch support insoles. Let's go to this thing and try and see what they look like here. They're supposed to like put a little ball in the ball of your foot, the ball in the ball. And we're gonna check these out and see how they are. I only have some whatever shoes. I have whatever they're called, like these ones here, like the flexible ones, but we're gonna give them a try in there because otherwise they're kind of flat-footed. So this is what it comes with. You get 2 of these and they are designed for the right size for your foot. This one here is for size 8 to 8.5 men's or 9.5 to 10 women's. I have small feet. So you can see what it looks like here. It's got the little ball here. It's not a huge ball, it's just a little bump. So we're gonna try this thing out and see how it feels. I don't know if I'm supposed to take out my existing one or just put this on there. I'll put it on there and then I'll get an extra inch or 2 of height. So there we go. So it fits right in perfectly. Let's try it on. Well, now there's not a whole lot of space in there, but good thing it's got the stretchy top. So let's try the other side here. So it just fits right in, really good. You can't tell anything that it's got one in there, but put them on there. Let me try stand. Oh wow! Oh, totally cool. I feel it in my. And it gives me an arch, so very cool. So these are nice. Look at that. It just fits right in perfectly in there. I wonder what happens if I take out the bottom that's in there already and put it in instead. Does it give me more space? I don't know if I even can take out the existing one. Oh, I can. Oof, look at that. Oh, that one had like a bump in it, but it was just so soft. Let's see now this. Oh, that's a lot more space in there. I don't know, I almost like it tighter. Feels good. I mean, I don't know, you guys can't tell anything, but that's what my foot looks like with it in. But I like this. I'm gonna say this is good. This is pretty comfortable. I'm actually gonna leave it with the existing pad in there because that was just like more cushioning. So now I got tons of cushioning in there. I'm gonna give these things a try and wear them for a while, but I like it. Thumbs up.